How to share a TikTok to Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share any TikTok on Snapchat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. If you want to share any TikTok on Snapchat, first you'll have to just press on this share button, and here it will open up different options, and you will be able to see Snapchat right here. So just tap on Snapchat and it will save the video and automatically open it on Snapchat. Now as you can see here, you can send this as a snap. So just tap on send to, and you can select people from here. And if you want, you could also send this on your story. So just tap on this my story and it will be sent to your public story. If you want, you can send this to your friends, your groups, and after you've done all of that, you can just tap on send and then send it to them. It will be sent as a snap, so just wait for it to send completely. And as you can see, the TikTok has been sent to your Snapchat people. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.